Welcome to this guided chakra meditation to experience balancing and harmony within your body, mind, and soul. So today I invite you to embark on this guided chakra meditation, a peaceful exploration into the vibrant energy centers within your body. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed, and let's begin. Begin by sitting or lying down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, allowing your lungs to fill with fresh, cleansing air. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension in your body. As you breathe, allowing yourself to breathe naturally, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you. Feel its soothing energy embracing you like a hammock of love, creating a safe space for your meditation journey. Now, bring your awareness to the base of your spine, where the root chakra resides. Picture a vibrant red light glowing softly. Visualize this red light expanding, grounding you to the earth like the roots of a sturdy tree. With each breath, imagine this chakra becoming more balanced and stable, more vibrant and energized. Shift your focus now to your lower abdomen, where the sacral chakra rests, glowing with an orange light. Feel this chakra awakening, igniting your creativity and passion. Let the orange light swirl and dance, infusing you with inspiration and vitality. Move your attention to the area just above your navel, the solar plexus chakra. Envision a bright yellow, radiating confidence and inner strength, a bright yellow light, glowing. With every breath, feel this chakra growing, empowering you to embrace your true power and potential. Shift upwards to your heart space, where the heart chakra resides in a gentle green light. Sense the love and compassion emanating from this chakra. Visualize it expanding, filling your entire being with love, not only for others, but for yourself as well. Allow it to bathe you in loving energy, healing energy. Continue your journey to the throat area, the throat chakra, glowing in a serene blue light. Feel this chakra opening, encouraging clear and honest communication. Imagine your voice becoming stronger, your words carrying truth and kindness. Now, focus on your forehead, where the third eye chakra rests in a deep indigo light. Feel this chakra awakening your intuition, enhancing your inner vision. Trust your inner wisdom, allowing it to guide you on your journey. Use this moment right now to ask yourself, what is my highest self leading me to have insight or understanding about? Or what am I not yet aware of that when I become aware of it will make all of the difference? Lastly, shift your awareness to the top of your head, where the crown chakra shines in a pure violet or white light. Experience this chakra connecting you to the universal energy, expanding your consciousness and spiritual awareness. Feel a sense of oneness with the universe, knowing you are a part of something greater. Take a few moments to bask in the harmonious glow of all your chakras working in unison. Feel the balanced energy flowing through you, grounding you, inspiring you, and connecting you to the vast energy of the universe. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly returning to the present moment. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed, balanced, healed, and deeply connected. Thank you for joining this guided chakra meditation. May your balanced chakras continue to illuminate your path with clarity, peace, and purpose. With much love, light, and manifesting miracles, magic, and more. Lots of love from me, Katie Joy, the Global Butterfly. You can find out more at theglobalbutterfly.com.